Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Nocatee local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers offers to help with your local moves. Our reputable moving company offers the following services: packing, unpacking, loading, and unloading. We are here to take the stress of moving off your shoulders and ensure that all your properties, including the fragile ones, are safely moved. We are known for professional advice on the best options available to you, competitive prices, and consistent customer satisfaction. Our clients have consistently rated us as top movers, owing to our punctuality and efficiency in carrying out their services. We can collaborate with you and ensure you have the most stress-free move possible. The 3 Movers Long Distance Movers in Nocatee FL afford clients seamless moving situations outside the city. We have excellent customer service. You deserve a stress-free mover company that prioritizes you and listens to your concerns. We ensure that the movement of your properties happens without hitches, and the security of your possessions throughout the moving process is a priority to them. We provide storage options if you seek to move your properties in bits. They can help you store them until you're finally ready for the big move. You can trust that your fragile properties will be securely boxed and transported to avoid damage. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Nocatee moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.